Okay, so I got a doubleheader in here. My phone ran out of storage at the worst time. Literally like 5 seconds or 6 seconds into the alert. And the stupid Motorola ran out of storage. There's one more doubleheader after this. I mean, it was before this, but yeah, this is all the radios. The Emerson went off for it. The 521's first doubleheader, and the Jensen's, as well as a lot of the radios in here. I'm not gonna name them all because it's too much, but yeah, here's the doubleheader.
Yes.
Lawrence and Mercer in Venango, PA.
Lawrence and Mercer again.
And Venango. Venango.
Southeastern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Venango County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, northern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles southeast of Greenville to near Grove City to 7 miles east of Newcastle, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Grove City, Franklin, Slippery Rock, Stone Oro, Harrisville, Polk, Plain Grove Township, Sandy Lake, Clintonville, West Liberty, Eau Claire, Provinceford, Kennardville, Jackson Center, Markaville, West Sunbury, Cherry Valley, Flicker, and Boyers. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 103 and 127.
Now,
Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 17 and 41.
This is the second
For your
doubleheader.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango.
3, 2,
No.
1.
Southeastern Columbiana County of East Central Ohio, Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, southeastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, southern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Slippery Rock to near Beaver Falls to Wellsville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Cranberry, Butler, East Liverpool, Aliquippa, Beaver Falls, Monica, Wellsville, Economy, Elwood City, Cambridge, Macomandura, New Brighton, Shannon Northview, Beaver, Calcutta, Beta, Meridian, Zillionople, Rochester, and Ovieville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 10 and 28. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 79 and 104. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 25 and 47. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbiana, Ohio, and Lawrence, Pennsylvania.